Hi everyone! Would you like to know how to host your own website, or your own blog, or maybe your own file sharing service? In this video, I'm going to walk you through each of the steps to set up your own virtual private server on the Amazon cloud. Let's take a quick look at what a VPS is, for those of you that might not know it already. A virtual private server, or VPS in short, is a great solution for people that want to have a computer that is always connected on the internet, providing some kind of service, without having to have an actual physical machine in premises in order to do so. In cloud terminology, a VPS is the basic building block of what we call infrastructure as a service. Practically, that means that a hosting company provides us access to a virtual machine that runs on their own data centers. Let's also take a look at some of the benefits. We have complete control of the software of the virtual machine. We get to decide exactly the software that we want to use, such as the operating system, the applications that will run inside the operating system, and the configuration of everything. We have complete control of the resources of the virtual machine. We do not share computing resources with other people. Of course, that doesn't mean that we own the full resources of the actual physical machine that our virtual machine runs into. We still share these resources with other people. We don't have to deal with the costs and the responsibilities of maintaining an actual data center with physical servers, network connections, security responsibilities, environmental obligations, and all such things. As you might imagine, there are many providers that offer VPS services. Before we can choose a provider, we have to consider the requirements of our use cases. Then, we have to match and compare the offered packages and the associated costs that come with each provider and each service. Companies such as Amazon, Microsoft and Google compete on a higher level. They offer a larger selection of data centers and more services than just infrastructure as a service, such as platform as a service. These offerings allow for more complex and more elaborate architectures and deployment scenarios. However, these offerings are not relevant for this presentation. I will continue with the Amazon service for the following two reasons. First, Amazon allows us to use their free tier of services for a limited amount of time, which is 1 year. Second, I am more familiar with this service than the others. So, let's get started.